Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make Mauritian Tikka. And I made already Mauritian Tikka with ground chicken in my previous, not like maybe like years ago, like 2-3 years ago. So you can go ahead and check that with ground chicken, which is also so delicious. But today's recipe is going to be Mauritian Tikka, but I'm using chicken breast. So the chicken breast I have cut into very tiny slices, and to that I'm gonna add ginger paste, garlic paste, salt and pepper, and you can use grated garlic and grated ginger for this recipe if you don't want to use paste. Now I already washed my hand, and I'm gonna use my hand to make sure that all these ginger, garlic, salt, pepper mixed in each of the slices. And now I'm gonna crack the egg into a large tray. This is actually a pie tray which has a little deep side. So I cracked both of the egg. Now this might look funny because this is just a little bit of salt and pepper. Just be careful when you add pepper. It tends to be like a little stronger, so this is up to you. Add as many as you want. So to the egg I'm gonna add the salt and pepper, and that's about it. Now I'm just gonna take my fork and just beat it very nicely. That's good. Now I'm gonna add this milk, and I'm gonna beat it a little bit more. And now we are going to, actually I'm gonna do the prep here, and then in the meantime I'm gonna go preheat a pan, and I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. So I have all my stuff ready, my marinated chicken, breadcrumbs, and the egg, and the oil is preheating. Let's go to the stove. So I'm taking one piece at a time, and it's gonna go into the breadcrumbs. Just coat it very well. And then to the egg, I would say this is kind of an egg wash, and then straight to the hot oil over medium-high heat. Crumbs coat nicely, and then to the egg wash, and then straight to the oil. It's been 4 minutes. Now let's flip the chicken, and you can see how beautiful the chicken is looking. It's gonna take 4 minutes each side, and I just reduced my heat a little bit after 2 minutes, because you can see now the chicken is already golden, but it's not fried yet. So I'm just gonna flip it again. My last one. Nice and golden brown. I'm gonna remove it, and let drain the oil properly, and then put it on a plate with paper towel. And our chicken tikka is ready using chicken breast. You guys need to try this, and then you're gonna see how different this will taste compared to the ground chicken one. Don't get me wrong, they are both tasty and good, but this is in another level. So written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Like and subscribe if you like this video and the recipe, and I will see you next time with another great recipe. Bye.